Hey guys, Marty Boots here. It's a bit late here, so I'm just going to keep this video short and sweet. And if I am correct, then it is very sweet. Now, last all season, last bottoming base, as you can see here on the right hand side, it's ADA. On the left hand side, we have Loka. There's many examples of this, okay, but Loka is a good one. There's many coins doing the exact same thing at this point in time. Uh, we last time we took out the lows. Let's focus on the lows right here. Okay, let's focus on the lows first before we move on. The base is important. The base is this line here. I'm going to change this to here. All right, the base is important. The point of rejection. Now that's a rejection to the downside, right? We failed there at the lows, and now we were back above the previous low. That is bullish structure. That is breaking above the previous low. Now let me give you another example, just as a small example, right here, right, right there. So if I did take that away for a second, when you break down, okay, that's okay. That's a breakdown. That is classified as a breakdown. But when you break back up above the previous low, that is breaking market structure. That's important. Breaking market structure results often results. There's no certainties in the market, but often results in a move to the upside in this circumstances because it's a break of market structure to the upside. Okay, so what is happening here, right, is what happened last time before we moved out of the bear market and into alt season. Okay, you can see ADA here. It broke down, it broke market structure right here, but it failed and bounced right back up above it. And then we continued higher. Now, on top of that, you can see that the structure of the moving averages, I just move these away so there's no confusion. On top of that, the structure of the moving averages. Now, I'm not saying that the two of them are completely identical, but you can see the structure. You can see the red moving average here, the purple dropping down, the white coming over the top, all the others coming in between. Right? It's almost identical, right? And on top of that, well, we can measure the base here. Do I want to measure from here? I suppose the base here, we'll call that 170 bars to there, about 170 bars roughly. Where do we want to draw that from? Well, there's 155 bars right to there. And I might have just missed a couple of bars there, and there's probably a few more bars about to happen, right? So if we even get 10 more bars, you can see we're in that ballpark, right? So the base itself from here to here is almost very similar. I have redrew that, and you can kind of just see here, right? I've drew it there. That is 154 bars into here, right? And you can see from here, from the very lows, that's from the very low. Of course, you could have drew it from earlier, but from the very low, right here, maybe I'm one candle out or whatever. It is saying 159. We'll call it 160 bars into here, right? So we'll call that 160, and this is 155. We are extremely close to being, right here in this ballpark area, right? So that is potentially telling us that Loka could be about to just go into alt season. Now, Loka is not a major coin at all, but altcoins usually move together. If one coin is going to be really bullish, a lot of coins are really bullish. Like what I'm saying is, if Loka is going to do this, like what ADA done, most coins are going to do similar. Most coins are going to do the same thing. Okay, there is many coins like this. Let's look at GMT. Here's a couple. Now, if you want more coins, if you want more analysis and more videos, come on into our live trading room. The link is below in the description. I have made videos on the market. I've made videos on the upcoming alt season. It is potentially life changing. If this plays out, guys, this is life changing. And if the sentiment in the market is terrible right now, it's terrible because why is it terrible? Because most of the market has been dragged through this, and it's been terrible. Last time, if you remember, most of the market was dragged through this. We all sat through this. I watched ADA drop, and then we watched this consolidate here. And if you check my old videos, if you go and check my old videos here, you will see that I was calling and screaming for a bull market and screaming for a bull market in ADA as well. You can check my previous videos. Don't take my word for it. Now, I have two accounts. We also have I have another account, an old account. So yeah, I'm hoping it's in this account. But anyway, you can see the videos on our live Discord if you want to come in and recheck that, fact check it if you like. Check my old videos. I called for Bitcoin in the bull market last time. As you can see here, I don't know, a 17-year trader, experienced trader talks about Bitcoin. Now, I've been talking about Bitcoin and talking about what Bitcoin is going to do here. And I also updated it and talked about here, Bitcoin is about to go parabolic. Well, this is the scenario that needs to play out for Bitcoin to go parabolic, and it is potentially setting up. So I do recommend watching that video. If you want more analysis, if you want me to make you videos on any altcoin or just give you my opinion on any altcoin, or if you want to come in and talk to our members, or remember we have a group of fantastic members in there. They've been with us for a long time. We also have a fantastic education section built up, and we have buy and sell alerts every single day. On top of that, we also have our own indicators that we have developed, very powerful indicators. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to get this alert out there for people to understand that we may be on the cusp of a bull market, right? This is, you can see the same thing last season, the same thing right now. We are here. Can this hold? Can this hold? Okay. So if you want more update details, if you want more coins that are doing this right now, come on and take the free trial. I'm happy to help you through it. I'm happy to talk you through it. I can look at coins that you'd like. I've made a video. If you check my previous videos about Aave versus Amazon, you can check this video. Aave and DeFi is the king of crypto. You need to check Aave because Aave is a very powerful coin. So Aave is it's been moving very well recently. Yes, this is still recording. I made videos down here in our group about how Aave is going to absolutely moon. I was just going to show you, I suppose, our indicator. I could show you one of our indicators. We've got quite a lot of indicators. I'm going to show you the market condition right now. The market condition, we have there's 16 different indicators built into the one indicator, basically. And it checks trend, it checks indicators, it checks price action, it checks everything. Checks a lot of stuff. So it's called the market condition golden trend. And we provide this for our members. Now, when something flips golden, that is when you are golden. That you can get long on golden. Now, this is a 10-minute chart, and you can see right here, it started to flip golden. This is on Aave, for example, right? That's 11% bounce. That may not be life-changing, but if you can rinse and repeat, take a trade. Look at this. Here's another one. Here's a golden. That's you can see up to there. It's 8 or 9% up to there, maybe more. You can't see it with the lines on it there, but it's 9.7% actually is there right here. When it's golden, it means that there's everything. All of these are green. The short term intraday trend, the short term, the midterm, and the long term trend is all green, all lined up and all combined. 16 different factors, all combined into one, and to get long on that if you can see that flipping. The green itself is when three factors are long. Okay, you can see here, when three of these are long. So there's 4, 8, 12 different things are green. You can still get long on that, guys. It's still a great signal, right? It's still a great signal, and it'll jump out of it when it flips away. When there's only 2 of these are green or whatever. You can see the 3 of them are green here, and then it changed, and there's only 1 of them green actually. So to sell here. It tells you to sell, so you take your profits. Okay, when they're red, you can see it's a downtrend. You do not want to be in the market if it's red. Now, when 4 of these are red, it flips golden red, and that is an absolute short. That is a powerful short, right? This is just 3 of them, and you can see the drop on that. It tells you to short, right? It tells you to get short. It helps you. That's a 12% drop, though, guys. Look at that. Rinse and repeat, 12%. Here again, it's a little bit choppy, to be honest. It's a little bit choppy, but you can see it's flipping golden, right? When it's golden, there's 16 factors telling you to get long. And look where it gets out. Look at this. It stops here. Look at this. It stops there, and you can see the move up, right? It's an extremely powerful indicator, 16% to the upside. And you can see this one is probably another 10 to 15, 16%, 11% actually. It's 11% to that upside. So that is one of our indicators that we provide, and you can see it can be very powerful. Now you don't need to trade the greens, you don't need to trade the reds. You can just trade the golden, right? We have golden alerts. We have built a website that we send all of these alerts to, and it is free for everybody, for anybody, even yourself, even your trial members. You can come in and get these alerts sent to your Discord, but you've got to come into our platform and sign up. Our platform, our website is called SoftQuant, and SoftQuant has lots and lots of different tools and powerful alerts. And this is only one of them. We have 10, 20 different alerts in there of different types of alerts. And you can even mix and match and combine them to make even more powerful alerts. So yeah, it's extremely powerful. So if you want access to that, come on in, check us out. It's free. It's free. Come on in, sign up to that, and you can get these alerts sent straight to your Discord. Okay? Anyway, guys, I need to cut this video off. It is almost 3 a.m. here in Perth, Australia. If somebody was about to tell you, if somebody told you last time you could buy ADA down here, well, I'm telling you right now that the market is sitting right in that exact same spot, same place right now. You know, this video, I'm hoping, is a potential gift, a real gift, and we are watching this extremely carefully. I am already loaded up on altcoins. I do intend to start buying more altcoins in the very near future. I've been busy for the last 4 months, but I am now back from Monday. This Monday coming, I will be back full-time on the charts. I had a few projects on. I was helping my missus, my wife, and yeah, that is finished this weekend. So I am excited and delighted to be back full-time on the charts. It's great. I'm really excited about it, and it's actually potentially the very, very lows. If you don't believe me, watch it for yourself. See how this develops. You know, this is not financial advice. This is me telling you, as a 17-year experienced trader, you know, what I'm doing in the market and what I'm looking at. So if you want more information, come on in, check us out. Talk to our members, see what our group's like. Don't ask me. You can ask me if you want. You can send me DMs. You can talk to me. But ask our members and see what they think. A lot of them have been with us for a long time. Anyway, guys, it is 3 a.m. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. I hope to get out another video over the weekend, but I will be posting videos in our live Discord, so otherwise I will see you in there. Anyway, guys, have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the live trading room.